Hello guys, I'm Valencia. You can call me Ari, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Ah! Guys, I was in France this weekend, and I was looking through YouTube a little bit, and I was just so happy because we hit 5,000 subscribers. And then I checked today, and we have 8,000 of you guys, just like within just over a week. So thank you so much. Like, it makes me so happy to see that the community is so big. I didn't know it was this big. Like, obviously I have kind of like clocked that K-pop is huge because of the numbers that it does on YouTube, but just the cuteness of your comments, and so many of you are like so patient with me and not getting mad if I'm saying anything wrong or the name's wrong, or like you guys are just guiding me. It just feels like a sister sibling moment, and it makes me really happy. So I do want to take like a little second before we start this video while I say thank you, because it has made my week. So thank you. Okay, but with that being said, I'm super excited to dive into Jisoo. Right? Is that how I say it? I saw some of you guys trying to comment how I say their names, and Rose wasn't actually Rose, it was Rose. That makes sense because her E has like that little hat on top of it. So Jisoo. And so many of you comments were suggesting some of the same songs, and one of the songs was Flower, and then the second one was Earthquake. And I really did like the other solos. And now I'm excited to see Jisoo, because she's hella pretty and she's just this elegant queen vibe, and I'm all here for it. So I hope you guys are doing good, and let's get on with watching more of this. Let's go. Let us see. Oof! The dress. Chapter 1. Next day. Oh, is she in France? Where is this? Wait, the skirt is serving. Oh, the outfit. Whoa. Her hair, everything. Obsession. Christian Dior. I see ya. Do-re-mi. Cat! I love cats. This is what I mean, she looks royal. She gives old money vibe. The bangs being like curly. Yo, her vocals are also really good. I have never heard this song. Shut up! The hair! Oh my god, I need to do my makeup like this. I love doing like a double wing liner. I've never thought of doing it like this, and she looks stunning. Chapter 2, same time. The flower and the red. Her hair. Ooh, the heels! I feel like Jisoo could be like on the cover of Vogue or Prada or whatever, or Dior, because she is just like, wow. I think I would like turn and stare at her if I saw her in the street, and people would be like, she's weird, don't look at her like that. But like, and she suits every color. Whoa. Oh, the transitions. Every color. Chapter 3. Okay. Magazine. Double bow. Ooh. so elegant. Oh, is she crying? This look is everything. Woo! I love pink. I want this outfit so bad. Okay. Okay, that was the first MV I saw ever of Jisoo. I am obsessed with her fashion sense, and the way she moves is just so elegant. Like, I described all of the different members with one word, and my word for Jisoo was like elegant or royal, I think I said, and that still holds true. Like, she looks like she could dominate the whole world, and I would not complain. She just looks majestical. I don't know how to describe it. She's like, you know when you swipe like on a magazine or you see like model pictures? Like all of her features are just so beautiful. And the way she holds herself is just wow. And the song was really nice. Her vocals are really good. It was really high pitch, and I'm impressed, man. Oh my god. Let's watch the second one. It's called Earthquake, I think. This was only 7 months ago, so this is relatively new. I'm excited for that. Office work. Oh, this is a nice office though. Is that her? With glasses? Oh my god. Dior, I see you, girl. Evidence? This is like a movie. Is giving the same vibe.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
삽니다. 오!
그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
Lie detector test. Wait, I need this louder. Yes. Her hair! Vivienne Westwood? Shut up! I want to see her drive again. Is there a drop? Oh my god! This came on in the club, I'd be shaking. No, the production. I love it. Yes, you look good from every angle, girl. There's so much quality here. Oh, the smile she did there. I love this. I never heard the song. Three, two. Okay. The curly hair. They're dancing on the phone as well. It's sick. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. I am kind of just like obsessed. Sen. What a diva. Oh, the smile! Are you joking? Look at the smile. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Am I okay? I'm not okay. I'm an adult. I can handle this. Oh, a whole team. Which makes sense. Okay. Holy mother. This is what I mean. Like, Jisoo scares me because she's so beautiful. It just puts me... Like, she intimidates me. Because she is just... Like... I feel like with all the other videos, I was able to give somewhat of feedback on my thoughts. But I'm watching this, I'm kind of just like... drooling on my chair. I really liked... I liked Flower too. It was really good. It was really cute. It was more like... I don't know how to say it. It was more scenic. Maybe that's the word for it. More artsy. This was like a full-on film. Like a short film. That they like... The effects of her driving. The roof falling down. Collapsing by the car entering. All the papers in the air when she's dancing. The lie detector. Kind of like a little acting moment there. And the smile while she's at that. Everything was just... a mind blown. I love this. The song was also really good. I need to add this to my Spotify playlist right now. I just keep adding like different Blackpink music to my playlist. I think from all the music videos I watched so far, this might be one of my favorite in terms of film and just like the camera in itself. If I can be fully honest, I actually really wanted to study film writing and film directing when I was younger. My dad was like, you have to study finance and business. But I still really enjoy filmmaking and different effects. That's why I often tend to comment on transitions, because some of them are done really nicely. And I feel like being able to make a flow feel very natural in a video, it's hard, especially since it's such a short video, right? It's on like 3 to 5 minutes max. And they have done it really nicely. And the song was bopping. She looked fierce and looked good from every angle possible. And I'm obsessed. Oh. And the more I'm getting to know them, the more I'm going to struggle to pick my bias. Like, as it is right now, I don't know. Before I watched their solos, it was quite clearly to me that Lisa was like my bias. And then I watched Jennie, and Jennie was just insane. And then Rosé was so beautiful and so talented, and her voice was just mesmerizing. And now Jisoo is just... And now I'm gonna watch Lisa to the end, and I'm probably just gonna be even more confused. So if I keep changing all the time, don't blame me. I just can't make a decision. I haven't been faced upon making decisions between 4 beautiful women. This is hard. But yeah, that was it for today though. Sorry for yapping so much. Do want to say a big thank you again for all the support. It really, really means a lot to me. And we shall see each other soon for Lisa's solos. So stay tuned, yeah? Until next time, guys. I squish you.